First I was afraid, I was putrefied, and thinking I will never get it out without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights and thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I got to get along, but now you're back, from outer space, forget it now. You're not welcome anymore. What shall I rain? What shall I do? What shall I talk? What shall I see? How shall I learn? What words shall I use for you? Forget it now. This is my show. Forget it now. You're not welcome anymore. Get around. Just take your bags. Take your stupid bag of trash and tape it and shave it up your ass. I don't have anything to do. I don't have anything to say. This is my show. This is my show. Fuck you all. I will survive. 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 I will survive.